Today, let's talk about Wave Rider. Its fragrance will remind you of Acqua Di Gio by Giorgio Armani. This perfume carries aquatic vibes with a burst of freshness from lime, lemon, and bergamot. Its top notes are balanced by rosemary and coriander, giving an energetic boost. It contains cedarwood, musk, and amber, creating a warm and sophisticated trail. This luxurious freshness elevates every moment. This fragrance feels just like standing by the sea, enjoying the cool breeze and the peaceful waves. Not just its feel, but its performance is also unbeatable. A few sprays are all it takes to keep you feeling confident and fresh throughout the day. It's perfect for office wear or whenever you want to feel confident and fresh. The vibe of this perfume is purely masculine, inviting and energetic. This fragrance makes your presence unforgettable. Stay confident. Stay fresh with Wave Rider. Comment the word WAVE to get a direct link in your DM.